the third trifecta is brain games. So when the fight or flight is triggered, it causes something called hypervigilance, where we are so focused on a specific problem that we disregard many of the other things that are going on around us. So when you start through the process of being hydrated and breathing, typically what will happen is your brain is distracted by these anxieties or these concerns. So what you do as you're being hydrated, as you're doing the breathing techniques, your body is re-regulating itself. So during that process, if you give your brain something to do to pull it out of that hypervigilance, it helps, because then as your body re-regulates, your brain can be pulled away from those distracting events. And so, for instance, if you think about what you're thankful for as you're doing these techniques, it brings you into the present and helps you to separate from the anxieties from the past or the things that you need to do from the future. So by being thankful and contemplating the things that you are that you have gratitude for, it allows your brain to be present. There are some other brain games that you can do, like you use your senses, the sense game. So you can, it's like, what are the 3 things that you see? What are the 2 things that you hear? What's the 1 thing that you taste? And so that also brings you out of the distractions and the worries, and it brings you into the present. So as you're doing that, you are re-regulating yourself through hydration, through breathing techniques, and it puts you in the present, really, where you can have joy, where you can solve problems in a practical way, where you can set the right priorities. So I hope this has been helpful. These 3 fundamental tools for self-regulation I have found are the most effective in getting me that re-regulation, bringing me to be present and to be able to enjoy what I'm doing, whether it's work or whether it's a fun activity. It allows me to be fully engaged with what I'm doing now. So I hope that's helpful, and I wish you success.